So this is a very old, look at the width of the walls, nearly a meter wide, very old house. Well, it's a mill house. There's the old machineries. These are the wheels. This is from one big tree, one piece trunk. It's enormous. It's very big. And you've got the different places of accumulating the, normally it would have been for, it's an oil press or olive press. They would do their olive oil. And here you've got the big press, the big wheel. So it's completely taken over. It's a ruin. I mean, it could be more taken over. They do clean it. But, yeah, it's very old. Even the roof is falling apart. It's not a watermill, but it's amazing, no? Old machinery with this big one pieces wheels, hand carved. Nothing of doing it by industrial means. I wanted to show you this. And in the same vicinity, there is a well. Look at this plant here. Isn't it gorgeous? Look at the house from out. I'll show you the outside. Look at the pathway there. That's where we're going to go. The outside of the well, so you can see how beautiful it is. And the energy in there is quite sticky and stucky. It is more beautiful from outside than what it is inside. But eventually when the rains come back, we hope it will bring back its full beauty. There you go. All the palm trees around. It's a very beautiful place. Outside Santa Eulalia. Font de... Oh, I don't remember now. Wait, I've got the paper in here. I'll put it in the title anyways. It's a very beautiful place. I lost my friend Inara. I'm going to tell you the name of it. There we go. Fondo Perella. That's the one. Fondo Perella. And we're going to go walking on this path. Isn't it beautiful? Inara? Oh. What did you find? Look at these flowers. Are they beautiful or what? Oh. We're going to go into that tunnel. Let's see what she found. This is still the house from outside. It's completely... Oh, what's in there?
A stone house, a little.
A little stone house. Apart from spiders, anything in there? Just a corral, no?
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at this, is another invasive plant, you see?
Yeah, it is.
I mean, they're very beautiful, but...
Yeah, they're beautiful, but...
But... Okay, we're gonna continue our walk. Enjoy, everyone. Talk to you soon.